Hello and welcome. This is the first episode of Warehouse Deals Roulette. For me, it's often a good and cheap way to get new stuff. In the first video, we will unbox an Apple iPhone 14 Pro. I bought it for 889 euros. The retail price is about 1,299 euros. The condition description includes a medium scratch on the metal. The screen film is missing and the packaging damaged, but we will see if it's correct. So let's start the unboxing. The packaging seems good and isn't damaged, so let's open up the box. We see there's no padding material. That's not so good for the item. I just cover the serial number and check the original packaging. No real damages and just one adhesive strip, which often means open but just one pre-owner. Let's open up the box. The phone is in the correct position, cameras up, and the screen film is still there. But before we check the phone, let's have a look at the accessories. We have the folder with the small manuals, the Apple sticker and the pin. Looks complete and the USB-C cable is still curled. Let's have a look at the phone. The metal seems shiny and without scratches. The screen film is still there, but let's have a closer look. The lenses look good, but a bit dirty on the chrome rings. The right side looks perfect without scratches. The left side looks also perfect. And the upper side looks perfect too. The bottom has a very small scratch next to the speaker. When we remove the screen film, we see some dust on it, so it was definitely opened. And unfortunately, with a closer look at the screen, we see a small scratch. What a pity. But let's start it up and see if it works. Seems good. I also checked the serial number and it was activated in May 2023, which means it has warranty till May 2024, so I lost 3 months of warranty. The battery status is still at 100%. Now you know why I named it Warehouse Deals Roulette. We only saw a small scratch at the metal, the packaging wasn't damaged, and the screen film was on the phone. But we also saw a small scratch on the screen, which is definitely annoying. So that's it for the first episode. I hope this video helped you. I would appreciate a like and or subscribe. Have a nice day.